to build an ordinary Lego bird. This is my third ordinary series, and this is my honor and excited ordinary series. You need this piece, your 1x1 plate with smooth, one stud, 1x1 plate with clip, for this piece, for the sides. First, you get this piece and the studs and the back, and 1x1 plate with clip there for the legs. And this for the wings. You need these pieces. For the wings here, and put this for the beak, and this 1x1 plate with smooth there, and put this on the feather. How to build an ordinary Lego bird. And please subscribe and stay tuned for new episodes and my old episodes. And thanks for watching.